In this section, we will discuss how you can make smart purchasing decisions, what are different considerations and techniques. Sometimes you may be asked to purchase something on behalf of the organization. When purchasing, it is always a good practice to determine if the expense is worth the investment. There are factors that you should consider before making the purchasing decision. Being able to make purchasing proposals by showing the cost and benefit to the organization will help you save money for your company and make you more valuable to the management staff. The topics that we are going to cover are 10 questions you must ask, determining the payback period, deciding whether to lease or buy, thinking outside the box. We are going to discuss the 10 questions in this part 1, and the other 3 items we are going to discuss in the next lecture.